What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. Today we are looking at how to pronounce the name of a Grand Cru Classé, a fifth grouse classified in the famous 1855 classification of the wines of Médoc. I did make a video about the 1855 classification if you want to learn more on that topic, but back to our famous chateau located in the appellation around the village of Pauillac on the left bank of the Bordeaux region of France, and it makes wines predominantly from the Cabernet Sauvignon grape, and it's acquired a very excellent positive reputation, one of the most famous of all Bordeaux wineries in fact. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Château Lynch-Bages. Château Lynch-Bages. So two different ways to pronounce it. The English sounding way, Lynch-Bages. Lynch-Bages. Note that the S of Bages is certainly silent, so do not say Château Lynch-Bages. Château Lynch-Bages, no. Definitely Château Lynch-Bages. Lynch, I believe, is a name that it's inherited from Ireland, so you can say Lynch. But the typical French pronunciation would be Château Lynch-Bages. Château Lynch-Bages, Château Lynch-Bages of Pauillac, Château Lynch-Bages de Pauillac. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Here is that video about all the classified growers of the 1855 classification and what this classification was all about, where it came from, when it was done, and how and who made it, and what it actually means for the wines, the Bordeaux wines of today. Bye bye, au revoir, cheers, santé.